This summer marks the 4th annual Allied Health Education and Discovery Program, or AHEAD program. This summer we have 42 high school students participating across our June and July sessions that represent 18 Northwest Louisiana high schools. The AHEAD program is an immersive experience for students where they get to try on different healthcare careers and see what aligns with their personalities, their professional and their educational goals, and to do activities in these disciplines that represent the professions. This year's theme is integrated healthcare teams. So our students are not just learning about the individual professions, they are learning how they relate to the other professions. In PA, they just learned about how PAs work with physicians, how they order labs from medical laboratory scientists, and how they refer to physical therapy and occupational therapy. We are so privileged to have this opportunity to do this outreach program with high school students. The purpose of this program is to grow these young students' awareness of all the healthcare careers available to them.